Hello students, welcome back. Let's solve the exercise question number 18E of class 10 NCERT science textbook, and it's a very important question. The question reads, why are copper and aluminium wires usually employed for electricity transmission? So let's have a look at the answer. Copper and aluminium wires are commonly used for electricity transmission because they are good conductors of electricity and they have a very low resistivity. Now, being good conductor makes them an ideal choice for electricity transmission because current can easily pass through them, and they have a low resistivity because if the resistance of a wire is less, then its current transmission becomes more. Now let's elaborate these points and understand it better. The first one being low resistivity. Now low resistivity means low resistance. A wire being low resistance increases the amount of current in the circuit. That is, if the resistance of a wire is less, the current flow is more through it, because from Ohm's law we know that V is equal to IR. So V by I is a constant R, and thus we see that if the resistance is more, the current will be less, and if the resistance is less, the current will be more. So a lesser resistance means a greater value of current in the circuit. Second point is strong electrical conductors. Now copper and aluminium are two of the best conductors. So being a good conductor means that they have a large number of free electrons due to their metallic properties, and hence it makes them an ideal choice for electrical conductance. The greater the number of free electrons, the better electrical conductor it is. So copper and aluminium have a large number of free electrons, because of which it is chosen as an ideal conductor for electricity transmission. The third reason is that they are ductile, that is, they can be drawn into thin wires without breaking. There are some wires which cannot easily be drawn into wires, that is, they will break. But copper and aluminium can be easily drawn into thin wires. So this is another good reason. The fourth one is corrosion resistant, that is, they are resistant to corrosion. Now the electrical transmission wires have to travel through long distances bearing the rain, wind and all sorts of weather condition. But copper and aluminium wires are resistant to corrosion. That's why they can be made to travel through long distances without the risk of them being corroded. So this is another reason for employing them as wires for electrical transmission. Aluminium wires are also ideal for overhead power lines because of their low density and high tensile strength. This ensures efficient electricity transmission over long distances. So this point, if you want, you can skip it, but these 4 points are important. So if in the exam the question comes, you can mention these 4 points. So with that, we come to the end of this video and also the chapter. I have curated a playlist which contains all the answers of the electricity chapter. Please do go through that playlist. If this video was helpful to you, please like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Please watch the playlist containing the solved physics questions and numericals from the previous year's board exams. I've shared the link of the playlist in the description box. It will be very helpful to you while preparing for your exams.